I'm a big Kelly Clarkson fan. Okay, so today is Sunday, April 20th, so it's Easter. Happy Easter if you guys celebrate. We just got back from my mom's house. We went over there for Easter and, had dinner and like dyed some Easter eggs and just kind of hung out with my mom for a little bit and enjoyed our Easter together. And now it's 8 o'clock and I'm getting my stuff ready for my work day tomorrow. But I'm just gonna go get my stuff ready, clean up a little bit, and then get ready for my work day tomorrow. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my hair? Today is Monday, April 21st, and I just got home from work. Today was the Boston Marathon, and I was watching, I didn't watch all of it, but I watched a lot of it. It's just crazy that the elite runners, like how fast they are. They ran 26 miles. I think the female that won ran it in like 2:17. And I'm like, she ran 26 miles faster than I ran a half marathon. I'm like, that's so crazy. Like, they are so insanely fast. I'm just like, it blows my mind how fast they are. Because yeah, I think the winner of the female winner ran it in like 2:17 and that she broke the course record. And then I think the guy winner was like 2:04. So like crazy fast. I did watch that today, which I'm happy I got to watch that. It was just cool to be able to watch that because I feel like I've never, like, even last year, I was like into running last year, but I feel like I've never really actually watched it, the Boston Marathon, and kind of like as a runner, if you get what I'm saying. Like I've never like even though last year I was running and stuff, I ran my half like later in the year, so I didn't really watch it. But I don't know, it's just kind of like when I don't know how to explain it. Like if you do a sport and, you watch the sport and you kind of understand like training and the sacrifices behind like the preparation for it, you kind of like appreciate it a little bit more. I don't know if that like makes sense. The Boston Marathon, I feel like is such a big marathon that everybody knows about. And so I feel like it was just, I don't even know if what I'm saying makes sense. It was just cool to like be able to watch it as like a runner and somebody that's ran a half and kind of be like, I know how I feel running a half. The fact that they ran twice what I ran and ran it faster than me, it's just crazy. So I don't know if that even like made any sense, but basically it was just cool to be able to like watch it as now somebody who's ran a half marathon. It was just cool. I know that running a marathon is way more vigorous than just running a half, but I don't even know if any of that made sense. There's what's this guy's name? I don't even know what this guy's name is, but he's been popping up on my For You page on TikTok for the past couple of days, and he apparently has ran the Boston Marathon like 48 times, and he's just this like cute old guy. I think, let me see. Oh yeah. Okay, his name, as of right now on TikTok, his name is Run Boston 47. He's just like this old guy that's ran the Boston Marathon. Well, now it would have been 48 times, and which is crazy. I am going to get my stuff around for work tomorrow and then make dinner, and I should go to the gym today, but I'm not really feeling it, so I'm not going to. But yeah, I'm just gonna I need to edit, actually, is what I need to do. I have so many videos that I like need to edit that I'm so behind on that that is what I need to do tonight. Okay, so today is Tuesday, April 22nd. I am just starting to make dinner. I'm just gonna make something easy tonight, so I'm just gonna make grilled cheese and fries. If you guys don't know, I'm a big Kelly Clarkson fan, and I've been a fan of her literally since American Idol. And she announced that she was gonna have a residency in Vegas this summer, and she had a residency in Vegas like 2 years ago, and we went and we bought tickets to go this year. So which I'm so excited about going. But last night I ended up looking up, like, I didn't book anything, but just looking at like flights and the hotel and the car and stuff like that, just to kind of get an idea of like price wise everything. So I didn't book anything yet. The only thing that's booked for our Vegas trip is the tickets to Kelly Clarkson's concert. Other than that, though, nothing is booked. If you guys have never seen her live, you're missing out. More Boston Marathon videos have been coming out on my For You page on TikTok, and I just feel like the Boston Marathon would be a fun one to spectate. Because, like, I've told Sean before, like, I think it would be fun to go spectate, like, a big race like that. So, I don't know, maybe in the future, I'll go to Boston for a marathon weekend and not run it and just spectate it. It just still blows my mind that, like, both, like, the men and the women's winners of that marathon ran their marathon faster than I ran my half. Like, the guy ran his in 2:04, which is crazy, and then the girl that won ran it in 2:17. That's just crazy to me. Like, she ran a full marathon, a full 26.2 miles in the same amount of time, actually faster than it took me to run a half. Like, that's crazy. But anyways, yeah, I think Boston would be a fun race to go spectate at. I've also heard, though, like, getting, like, the bigger races, I don't know how this is for all of, like, a lot of the races I've ran are smaller races, but I heard a lot of the bigger races, you actually have to, like, pay to even be anywhere near the finish line, which I get why, but I don't know how all that works, because all of the races I've pretty much ran have been, like, smaller races and not, like, a world major or anything like that, but that's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna make dinner. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd. I just got out of work and now we are heading to go on a little date bowling.
I'm gonna win.
Yes, he's not gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
Are we doing it with bumpers or no bumpers?
What do you want to do?
I know bumpers are cheating, but
Well, you don't know bumpers. I'll win.
or maybe one with bumpers, one without bumpers.
Yeah, because we could turn the bumpers on and off.
Yeah.
But this one we're going to.
Yeah.
We've gone bowling in
Probably like 2 years, 2.5 years.
I beat you.
Yeah.
I'm practicing.
Did I beat you last time?
You never beat me.
I think I.
Yeah, because you changed the scores on everybody's. I remember that.
Yeah. I think I did beat him last time. I think I did. Tell him what you had to do today.
I had to go do a physical lab draw. That's about the only responsible, and I did grocery shopping. Pretty fun stuff.
Yeah. But yeah, we're heading to go bowling.
I'm gonna win.
He's not gonna win. How do we put the bumpers up? today, April 24th. We just got done riding his bike. We rode to the Harley store and we're looking at the back pieces. And then, yeah, now we're gonna go and make some dinner. How'd you feel about the ride?
Oh, I enjoyed it.
Okay, so today is Friday, April 25th. And I just got home from work. I don't have anything planned tonight. I'm just gonna kind of have a relaxing night tonight and not really do anything. Sean's working tonight, so yeah, I don't really have any plans. You know what's crazy is, so I've told Sean this, like, a lot of my job is just sitting and like working in front of a computer, and I feel like I am more tired now just sitting and looking at a computer all day than I was when I like had like a more active job and was like moving all day. I feel like, I don't know why, I just feel like I am so much more tired now doing this job that I have now, sitting doing nothing pretty much, than I was in my old job where I was actually like active all the time. I don't know what it is, if it's just like my body isn't moving enough and that's why I'm so tired or what, but I'm just like by Friday, literally like the past couple of like, maybe like the past month, by the time it gets to Friday, I just like am so like mentally tired. I don't know. I just hate that I always feel like I'm so tired, especially by Friday. I just feel drained, which sucks because, like I said, I'm not even like, compared to the last job I had, that job was super physical, and I don't remember like coming home and just like feeling so drained compared to like my job now. I've been trying to like get up and walk a little bit more throughout my day and trying to like move more, but it hasn't really been working. So I really need to get better at doing that because, like I said, I sit all day and I need to move a little bit more throughout my day. So I've been trying to get up and move a little bit, like when I'm on breaks or whatever, just moving my body a little bit to see if that helps. Just because I hate how tired I have been on like, I think for like the last like month on Fridays, like how tired I am. Even throughout the week, not just Fridays, but like throughout the week, how tired I've been. Oh, yesterday, I kind of vlogged a little bit yesterday. I feel like I didn't really explain a lot of it. Basically, yesterday was super nice outside. When I got in my car after work, my car was saying it was 93 degrees, which is crazy. So, but yeah, it was super nice. I think the temperature overall was like 80, but my car was sitting in the sun. So when I got in, it said it was 93 degrees in there. So we ended up taking Sean's motorcycle for a ride. We rode to the Grand Rapids Harley store, which I've actually never been to that Harley store. And we were trying to figure out like how much it was gonna cost to get the like backrest thing, because I like riding with him, but I want the backrest just so I'm a little bit more comfortable when I'm riding with him. Yeah, so we went and we're talking to them about that and how much it was gonna be to like install it, and then we came home and had tacos for dinner and then pretty much went to bed. So that, hopefully that kind of explains a little bit, like, because I feel like I didn't really vlog much of it yesterday. I kind of just did a little bit of clips here and there. So that's basically what we did yesterday, is went to the Harley store and rode his bike. Which also, we have talked about this. We want to get GoPro mounts for either his bike so we can film on his bike, or for our helmets. So I need to look into those to see about getting those. But yeah, I don't really have anything else planned for tonight. I'm just gonna eat leftovers for dinner and then try to get some editing done and watching YouTube. so today is Saturday, April 26th, and it is already after 4:30 today, and I have really not done a lot today. I've just been kind of having a chill day. I've been editing a video pretty much all day, like on and off, and watching YouTube and YouTube TV. And my mom did ask me if I wanted to go out to dinner with her tonight, but I was just like not really feeling it. I don't know if you guys have ever had days where you just want to like relax and kind of do nothing and like not leave the house. But that's basically how I was feeling today. I was like, I want to go out to dinner with you, but I don't want to do it tonight. So we're going to go out to dinner tomorrow, just because I don't know if you guys have ever had those days where like you just like don't want to leave the house and like you don't really want to do anything. So that's kind of me today though. So we're going to go out to dinner tomorrow though. I haven't really been doing anything exciting today besides what I said earlier, and I really don't plan on doing anything more exciting for the rest of the day. Like I said, I just kind of want to have a lazy day today and not really do much. So yeah, I really don't have anything planned.